And this is Hanya's Repunzel Theme Birthday Party arrangements. She's not ready yet, but she will be ready soon. As you can see, this is the Rapunzel tower. And these are some flying lanterns, and it's Hanya's 3rd birthday. And this one is the golden flower, and this is the Pascal from the movie Tangled, and this is a party popper. This is the cake stand, and this one is the pancakes. Sorry, not pancakes. These are the cupcakes stand, as you can see that. And these are some marshmallows sticks, and these are some birthday props which I made myself. This is a crown, this is Repunzel at the back, another golden crown. This one is a Pascal face, and this is the royal sign, and this one is another Repunzel prop. So, and basically this one is my little daughter's half birthday chart. It's a stand. I made it myself. Everything is handmade. And this is the centerpiece, as you can see. And these are the balloon arrangements on one corner. And these are the flowers. Let me show you from the close up. These are the big balloons down there, and these are the flying lanterns which I made myself and hang them up there. And these are the formic sheet big giant flowers which are also handmade. This corner is like this, and this is again Hania. Eat it now. Complete it. Everything is handmade. And yes, this is the Tangled theme birthday banner. Is it your birthday today?
Yes, Mom.
Which birthday?
Rapunzel.
Oh, is it Repunzel? And she's being shy. No, you don't need to do it like this. She's looking very pretty.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Anya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hania is opening the gifts. Okay, let's check what is this. Acha, she is so much interested to open this one first. Iman ne jo diya hai. Oh, what is this? Let's open this one. very nice house. Very pretty. Yes, say thank you to Amen. Honey, where is she? Do you want my help? Honey, who are you? Are you Hania or something else? No, you are not Rapunzel?
Yes, I'm Rapunzel.
Are you are Rapunzel? And you didn't ask me, mother. Yeah. Okay. Honey, what is this? Oh, it's thank you to Gianni. Gianni, where is you?
Happy birthday.
You need my help?